This is our recording for 1.3. Data first. 100% of teachers agree that it is clear what types of decisions will be made with direct teacher input. 100% of us agree that there's systems in place to collect data. How their data is used to make specific decisions. Electronic tools. Groups of targeted teachers are used, and all of that. So when we go through our artifacts, we have these 6 to kind of just show what we're doing. We have teacher committees. So like I am our data person as well as our college and our HRS person currently.
I do the student outreach.
I'm on transition.
And then Miss Martini, who's not here with us, is our advisory committee, and Storts is our student study team and huddle board. And we kind of all work together on our improvement team. No one really leads it. And we get together bi-monthly to kind of discuss any issues we're having in our committee, any new things that are going on, or things like that. Our SSTs happen a little bit more frequently informally. Our huddle boards happen tri-weekly, so we get to meet a lot on those. And then we have our teacher one-on-ones and our Gimbas. Our one-on-ones are like a check-in with our supervisor to kind of check in and see how we're doing, see if we need anything, see if we want to update the schedule in any way, shape, or form. And Gembas are like the public schools walkthroughs, when your principals walk through and kind of see anything like that. And then we have a redacted teacher one-on-one. Just, it kind of goes through the agenda, maybe. We write our goals in.
Our celebrations. Expectations maybe for personal development through the year.
Yeah.
What issues we may need help with.
Our next steps that we have to do here. And again, these are monthly and very, very informal with our CEPS. And then our Gembas. Maybe. Yeah. Are kind of all about the lesson plans and what they see in the physical classrooms. So that's that one. Our geometry class video didn't upload right, but I do have our science class video of our students working with our ASU people. We built houses that had to withstand snow.
Not going anywhere though. I mean, you get up there, plow that motherfucker. Yeah. Easy enough. That was easy. Cool. I mean,
Like there's snow in Arizona.
Well, it had to withstand snow and heat, so we put little ice cubes in here and blew an air dryer on it. It was a lot of fun to have that kind of happen. So that's what goes through in Gembas. We also have the chance to request professional development that will better our professional knowledge. And these are just some of the conferences that we've requested, and we actually got to go to one last year in July. So that was fun.
It was nice because it addressed our population, the wired differently. We had students that are just not only SPED qualified, but just because of where they are. So that was very helpful.
And like I said earlier, we have our PLCs bi-monthly. We talk about student successes and needs, schedule changes, our student study teams, if kids need to be referred to our SPED or 504 or how they're doing in testing, kind of just a check-in on everything. And this is also where the teams share their successes. So we review our norms, we have our data, our SSTs, so it's a lot going on. And then We have our huddle board, which is tri-weekly. And in that huddle board, we go through issues that not only our staff have, but the librarians across the complex. And we'll share this quick video of how it works.
And then everything was done, and she wrote an IR. Working because
And there's a very
some
formal
care,
process for it.
and some don't. Some units are more short than others. We can only control what we can control.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, it's 11 o'clock. We can start.
Oh,
Right.
2 minutes in. 2 minutes
Oh
in.
my God.
How are the stamps going? So that gives us a chance to kind of meet and check in and go through whatever we do for huddle boards and do our weekly kind of meetings. So that's our 1.3 review.